I'm a big 20-year-old jumping.
Higher, Jazz.
Higher. Higher. Look, that kid going higher than you. Push her higher. Come on, push her.
Look at her. Woo. You are. Look at Madison. She's covering her nose. Oh my gosh. Jasmine, no. Come on, girl.
Harder. Look at her. There she goes. Okay.
You're done. It's 10 minutes. You better keep on going, girl. Jasmine, does that mean you need to lose? Listen to her voice.
Work them legs, girl, that you don't work.
Jasmine is so silly.
Look at her, now she like, oh look.
Jazz, you are special.
Oh, look,
Ooh.
look.
We should see. I wonder if they rent these. We could get them for a birthday, one of the kids' parties. They would love that.
You're a nut. Oh, look up. No, you can't do that. Mama, Superman.
Higher, Jazz. Higher. Jump harder.
Jump higher. Hard.
Jasmine is crazy.
Oh, you wait till next year when we go to Jamaica. We gonna be all on the I am gonna do the
What is that?
Paracel every day.
And then, see, you can go snorkeling because you don't know how to swim.
No, I always wanted to snorkel. I think that's wonderful.
Higher, Jazz. Come on. Yes, you can. Jump. Work those legs. No, don't bend your knee till you go down. Then push off straight.
Hello.
Jasmine.